What's up, shavers? What's up, shavettes? Guess who it is? It's your old pal Cosmo. Back again. What's happening? Coming at you with a late July shave. And guess what we're doing? Midnight. No, wait. That's next week. Stay tuned for that, though. Mood Indigo. Not bad stuff, right? We're gonna get right to it. As we're accustomed to, I will work up a lather and run my mouth. I'm using a little Heritage Shaving Collection. What is it? What's that say? Ever ready? Something. We're gonna load up in the bowl. I did the little pre-scoop just to save 5 seconds of video time, and we'll go ahead and get our lather going here. Now, the reason, man, it smells awesome already. What a great scent. Mood Indigo. This is not a paid promotion. This is my opinion. The reason I'm using Mood Indigo today, I was chit-chatting with my dad. We call him Buddy. Well, I call him Dad, but and he expressed an interest in the wet shaving stuff. He discovered my YouTube videos, and he had to have a little talk with me. And thought maybe I was on drugs. You know, he's like, "Son, are you smoking the pot? What is this nonsense you're doing with these shaving creams?" My dad doesn't talk like that at all. Anyway, he expressed an interest, so I sent him out a sweet little starter kit from Maggard. Got him a V3 mild to start off with. What else? A Maggard synthetic brush, pretty cool little blue handled thing, and a tub of Mood Indigo and some Barrister Cologne Rousse aftershave sample pack. And then he's got another little surprise package coming from Senior Silver Steel. It's Etsy shop over there. And I sent Mood Indigo because one's one of my favorites. Mammoth is really good. Mood Indigo is a great scent, and this is already working up into a beautiful lather there. But it's so cool now that that Ben is making more of it, that you can just go to Maggard's and buy some Mood Indigo. Oh, that was pretty cool. I know it's been gone for a while, but I bought my Mood Indigo used because it was unobtainium, as they say. So we're gonna do a little bit of a hybrid. Got my standard precision bowl loading, and then I like to finish it off right on my chops like this. So anyway, the old man had his first shave and he liked it. He was very impressed with the whole procedure, you know, like the self-care and the sort of ritualistic process and the scents and the cool looking brush and good smelling soap and all that good stuff. So it was really cool to be able to share that with him. So everybody say hi to Dad. Hi, Dad. We call him Cosmo Senior around here. But it's one of the great things, I guess, about the hobby, or anything that you are passionate about or give a damn about, is being able to share it with people, and then you got something to talk about. You know, it's not that we don't have anything to talk about, but it's fun to share those things. So I hope people out there in YouTube land have been able to share it with somebody. I know some of you keep your hobbies a secret. Weird. But here I am shaving on YouTube, and that's pretty weird too, actually. And you're watching it. You're weird too. Oh my God. Anyway, we're going to be using this Kai clone Univinlians, it says. I don't know. Got it super cheap from Ali. And I've just loaded a brand new Kai Captain Titan Mild. So I've never used this blade before, ever. And that is from Tri-Blade, if anybody's, again, not a sponsor, but that's where I got it. Getting low on my little sample pack here. So as you can see, it's been a minute since I've dragged a razor across my face. I've been busy. Doesn't feel mild, but the exposure is pretty significant in this particular razor. So it might still be a little dry. No, it's okay. It's still a little dry, but you can make it work. Amazing how quickly this one passed like that and it's gone. I love that. So if anybody is randomly found this video and thinking, what is this witch shaving thing? I get by with a 5-bladed pink thing that I got from Walmart. And it does just fine. Yeah, it does do just fine, doesn't it? But this is fun. And it feels good. The blade seems a little tuggy. I think my leather might be a little dry too. You know me, I like it dripping. If the lather ain't dripping, you be tripping. It does cut, doesn't it? Let's rinse it. Doesn't need to be all the way rinsed, because I'm going for pass number 2. I might make a video soon about my shavette technique. I don't think I've done that. It might be interesting to see what I end up saying, because I never know what I'm going to say. We're gonna go heavy with the water on this pass and really let that Mammoth shine. I can already feel the resistance from the brush leaving, so. Paint in a little bit more and then go for pass number 2. That was a lot more. A real testament to the soap that I just dumped all that water in there and it's not breaking down, so. And now it's really flinging all over the place. And that looks a lot more what I like. It's not going to win any photo contest on Instagram or anything like that, but it's going to provide a really thick medium for my, ready for the squeak. This blade just has an absolute ton of exposure. Look at that thing. So far, not my favorite blade that I've tried in this razor. With this particular one, with as much blade exposure as it has, I found I like the mild razors. The guarded razors are best in this one because it's just so aggressive. Lather's performing well though. How are we feeling? Good? Are we good? So while we're finishing up, next week on Reddit, it's R wet shaving, austere August. It's next week, right? Yeah. And this coming week, where we use the same setup all month long because why not torture yourself? I mean, some people use the same setup all the time anyway, but if you're like me, I like the variety. I have a couple of different soaps in my collection. Yeah. The razor's, sorry, the blade is, I always say that. The blade is not the best. Oh, yeah. Looking good under that goatee. Post shave, another favorite, is Deserology. Deserology, is that how we say that? This is this is a term that they use for performing cosmetology on dead people. Nice. So I thought this would be appropriate because this week I got my cosmetology license after 2.5 years of part-time classes and pandemics and delays and all that stuff. Finally got that license today, so why not go practice cosmetology on dead people? They can't complain really about their haircut. I suppose the widow could. Southern Witchcrafts is another one of my favorite all-star brands. Nice, smells good. So we'll finish up here. What did we do? We did Mood Indigo from Mammoth Soaps, Austere August, Chiseled Face, Midnight Stag. If you've got the guts, Post Shave, Southern Witchcrafts, Deserology, Desirology, Deserology. Razor, a cheap Cyclone blade, an aggressive, mild blade. And I think that'll about do it for today. So, it was good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you were here. Do me a favor, hit the like button. I need some help there. Maybe hit the subscribe button. I will be back for Austere August. I'm obviously not going to make a video every day of shaving with the same stuff, but maybe mid-month, by the time I can't smell it anymore, I can really start slathering that stuff on. So, if you're not a member of Reddit, come on by. We're nice over there. I know there's a bad rep. There's a bad rep with every group, though. Everybody's got a past. Come on over. It'll be nice. So, until then, and until next time, thanks for dropping by. Thanks for having a shave with me. Hey, Dad, I'm glad you enjoyed the stuff. We can chit-chat about Mood Indigo later. I will see all of you guys and gals later. Bye.